What's happening, guys? This is another video that I'm going to get to that I was just speaking with a girl on social media and she wanted me to do this video, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to tell the truth behind of when a narcissist leaves you for the new supply. We're going to get into the truth behind of what this actually is, because a lot of people lose confidence or lose self-esteem or motivation or all these things put together. You can lose your damn mind if you get discarded by a narcissist and they might go for somebody else. But the truth is, a very, 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 very high percentage of the time, when you get discarded by a narcissist, they are leaving you not because they want something better. It's actually the opposite. But some people look at it like that because the narcissist can make it look like they're so much happier with the new supply. But they're just in another beginning stage with somebody else. And it was just like that with you. And guess what? You have to see that for what it is and understand that this person is not going to be any happier with this person. In fact, they downgraded. In fact, they're going to get bored with this person even quicker than they did with you. The narcissist just looks for drama, excitement, and all these things. They're not a well-rounded person. They're very needy and desperate for attention and validation and admiration and all these things. They're very desperate for fuel out of other people because they cannot fuel themselves. Smart people, well-rounded people know how to fuel themselves and know how to feel good within themselves. Narcissists do not know how to do this. They don't know how to do this. That's why they might get bored with you, because you're not going to put up with their bullshit. You're not going to take the time out of your day to please them 24/7. They might get to a point where, you know what, you're taking care of yourself. You're not really focused on them all that much. Even though you might be with them, you might not be focused on giving them so much energy, and you might be doing your own thing, and they might think, damn, like, I'm getting bored with this. I gotta go to somebody else now. I don't understand why people lose confidence over this, because, well, actually, I do know why people lose confidence is because they don't see the situation for what it is like this. They see it, and I understand this because I used to myself when I was younger. You lose confidence because you actually believe, and the narcissist has tricked you, that you are not good enough for them, but really, they are minus levels below you. Like way below you. Way below you. And that's why most of the time they're going to downgrade when they discard you and go on to another dead-end relationship once again. It's not going to last. Whenever I get discarded by a narcissist and they were in a new relationship, I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I didn't look at this like, oh my God, like she's with somebody else. Like this guy, he's lucky to have her now. Like, fuck no. I looked at this as this girl is an idiot. She's stupid. She just lost something that's better than what she got right now. Stupid. Like, it wasn't even a question. But they do this because you're also too smart for them. You're too smart for them, so you won't give them too much. They need somebody who is a little bit dumber so they can get more out of this individual, because personally I was never the type where I could give a whole lot just for nothing. Especially whenever I don't really feel all that much towards this person in the first place. We don't even have a deep, long-lasting relationship to begin with. The mistakes people make is being too good to someone too fast. That's nothing but torture. And you're going to pay a heavy ass price for doing some shit like that, mister. Or Mrs. Can go both ways. But yeah, these individuals really do leave people for something worse when they make it seem like it's better, because they might get better supply out of this person that they got from you. But that comes down to them, these new idiots, spending more money on these idiots that you're not spending. You're not willing to do it because you're not an idiot. These other people don't even see what's coming from a hole in the wall. They're just doing whatever they gotta do. They're supporting this person when this person deep down inside doesn't even give a shit about them. Ridiculous. It's so easy to see through these individuals. It boggles my mind. You know when someone has a good heart, and you know when someone doesn't have a good heart. You know when someone has good intentions, and you know when someone has bad intentions. These individuals can rot in hell for all I give a damn. I don't care what they do. If they don't even have to rot in hell, I don't even care about them. They can do whatever they want to do. Just don't come near me. And don't disturb anybody else that I care about in my life either, because then if you mess with people and you hurt people that I care about, we might have a problem now. I might do something. Or I might expose you in front of everybody. So these individuals sometimes gotta watch out for who they mess with too. Because you could mess with the wrong one. And these individuals are scared for their lives. This is why they do the things they do. It just makes me laugh. Overall, like I said, they might go for somebody else and leave you behind because you are too smart to give away too much of yourself too soon. And what do they need? They need fast supply. When you're not willing to give that, they know they can get it from somebody else very, very quickly. And you know what? A lot of them are capable of doing it, because there are a lot of other people out there in this world that are not that smart, that don't know about this stuff, that'll just be so quick to hand over the cash, to buy them suppers at fancy restaurants and some shit like this. Pay for a full vacation. Not with me. Nope. You gotta earn your spot. You gotta prove yourself worthy. You gotta prove that you actually add value to my life and not just me adding value to your life, because a narcissist only wants you to add value to their life without them doing anything. They might do the bare minimum. They might do what's easy and give you sex or something like this. That's not enough. They use that as a weapon. They use their looks as a weapon. They use all these things as a weapon to get you. Because they can't use their heart because they don't got one. So that's pretty much that for this video. I know I got a couple other things to add in here, so I'm not going to be too quick to just cut this one off. But we're almost wrapped up. So what we have to understand here is that when the narcissist does discard you and they go for somebody else, you really have to see that as the biggest blessing ever. They are leaving you alone. You cannot be tricked unless you already got tricked. You might have got fooled by thinking they left you for somebody better, but like I said, you cannot think that way because it's not true. It's not true. And you know what? Sometimes they might leave you for something better. But it's not a very high percentage of the time that it's honestly like that. It's honestly not. And some of the smartest, more qualified individuals will get left by a narcissist before this individual leaves them first. These individuals are capable of tricking anybody in the early beginning stages. They are capable of doing it. They are capable of acting normal and acting like they have a heart. That's why you want to hang out with these individuals and not just talk over a phone or talk over text or stuff like this. You want to see their body language. You want to look into their eyes and look into their souls whenever you are with them. I've done this many times and I've seen some things, you know what, something's off. There's no doubt about it. Something's off. I feel like I'm with a person right now that's just not all there. And that's on you. That has to be on you to be able to spot this shit out. Because these individuals are bloodsuckers. They want people with the most of everything because they don't got anything. They don't got anything to offer at all besides maybe their exterior looks, and that's about it. Other than that, they are heartless, cold-blooded, emotionless, psychopathic individuals. That the only thing they do deserve is to go to fucking therapy and get your shit together. Because all they do is wreak havoc on everybody else's lives that got anything going on for themselves. So, you get discarded by a narcissist? Yay. It's better than Christmas. That's how you have to see it. So, I'm going to cut this video short. Hope you guys enjoyed this one and my take on this video. This is why you should never stress over some individual like this leaving you for somebody else. Because this person is going to be in a world of hell with the narcissist. There's no doubt about it. I see shit like this today. I know individuals that are narcissists. I know females that are narcissists that are with other guys, and I just feel sorry for these guys because I also know the guys that they're with, and it's like, damn, bro. I'm not going to tell you anything because I ain't going to do this because I know you probably don't understand this shit. I want to save you, but I'm also not going to because I don't think anyone is supposed to just go around saving everybody. You know what I mean? I mean, if it's your close friend or something like this, obviously you should let them know. These people are not my close friends. I just know them a little bit. That's none of my business. They can do what they want to do. I don't want to be that person that's starting shit because I don't want to come off like that. And I ain't going to do it. But I just see it and it's like, damn. Damn, bro. You're in for something else. God bless your soul, sir. But anyways, I'm going to cut this video up now, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with some more stuff. Got lots more videos to come. And we are doing pretty good. So, any more video requests? Hand them out. Anywhere you want. Email, comment section, Instagram DMs. Go to her. I'll be back.